Where are we, Bob?
At a tuk-tuk.
So that was our day walking, or our night walking around the markets.
Asiatique.
Yeah.
It was really cool. It was a really nice market.
They have so much stuff there. I got this really cute little outfit.
Little pink overalls and
You
a
can't
white
really
shirt.
see, but I did videotape what it looks like.
It's really cheap too. It
I
was
know, like less than $10.
$12 or something.
Yeah. How cute.
Oh, I can't be far enough back.
It looks like that.
Okay, go catch it. Arms.
It's super duper cute. I can't wait to wear it. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow.
Heck yeah. Hen's bag zipper broke, which is a little bummer. Her $5 bag.
Just here, but we're gonna fix it and it'll be okay.
We'll fix it. Yeah.
Yes.
Markets are really, really cool because it's not like the dingy old markets like most of the ones in Vietnam. It's like a really like a new, nice market, and it's like really clean and just really good.
They all had like their own stalls and it looked like an actual shop, like maybe like a boutique shop.
Yeah.
But everything was really cheap.
Yeah, really cool.
Yeah.
Lots of food. River. There's a Ferris wheel that we won't go on. If you want to know why, check out our 2018 Adventures video.
We'll be in the cards right here.
Let you know why we didn't go on a Ferris wheel. Yeah, that's about it.
Jinx you.
Yeah, me too, Sophie. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to love, live, explore. Be nice to everyone. See ya.